Hi guys, welcome back. So this is after the midterm exam break vlog. We're back in college. So today I just decided to randomly start vlogging because we obviously have nothing else to do. Um, Finally, the midterm exams are done, but we still have the finals left. We have about 2 weeks. Basically, the thing is, I have a lot of videos in my gallery that I've shot, a lot of footage, but which I've yet to edit yet. So once I edit it, I'll be putting it all out. I've been procrastinating it for as long as ever. So I'll be doing that soon. And yeah, you guys can see it all. So let me just show you guys the sunset because it is so beautiful. I think you can already feel the golden light on my face. So I'm just alone in my room right now, and the view from my window. I'm telling you guys, the sunsets here in our college, VIT, it compares to nothing else. Like it's like you'll never get to see such kind of sunset anywhere else. Like this is so beautiful. I'm literally looking out of the window. I want you guys to see this as well. Wait, hold up. I'll show you guys. Let's just say the camera doesn't do justice to the real beauty of the sunset. Like it is so beautiful.
밤새워 고민해도 도무지 니는 알 수가 없어 아무리 생각해도
Cute. That's pretty. क्या मियाँ पापा well, I had some funny music.
It's so nice 기분 좋은 날에
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, this clip is after 1 week of the last clip that you guys saw, which is after the break. I said our college is going to start as usual after the midterms. So, that week is done with. It was a very hectic week, not gonna lie. So, guess what? The weekend is around the corner. It's Saturday, Sunday from tomorrow. So, I thought, why not take a break away from all the other pressures that we have around. Just came back after my class, and today was also a very long day. The time is around it's 5 p.m. right now. So let me just quickly go take a shower and we'll be back. I thought we'll do a little skincare, self-care, a little chit chat, and maybe talk about the topics that we like the most. So see you guys. Please ignore how dirty the mirror is. So let's quickly take a shower. I'm just keeping all my things together so that I can go take a shower and come back within maybe like 30 minutes. So yeah, let's get back. See you after that. Hi guys. So I'm back of the shower. So please excuse my skin looking so pale. And yeah, I have started to have a few pimples as well, as you can see. So let's start our self-care routine. And by the way, excuse this because I just spilled water right now. I was drinking water. So yeah, let's start doing it. First of all, I have an under eye mask here. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just realized that all of my products, most of my products, are Foxtail. So this is not sponsored. I'm just doing this. Yeah. Okay, firstly, let's start with the eye mask.
It's so nice 기분 좋은 날에 너와 나 둘만의 시간들 It's so nice 모든 게 좋은 걸 지금 이 순간을 영원히 너와 둘이서 It's so nice
Alright guys, so it's after 15 minutes and I have taken out the eye patches. Let's move on to the next step, which is obviously applying a serum, vitamin C serum. Again, a Foxtail product. It is not sponsored once again. So I'm going to just apply it as few drops on my face. Okay guys, so I wanted to tell you about this K-drama that I recently watched and I was absolutely obsessed with. Like, It changed so many things about the view of life, how you view the little things in life and all that. And it's called Summer Strike. And it is so underrated. When I tell you, I am not sure how many of you will believe me, or I'm not even, I don't think most of them have heard the name of this particular K drama, but you should definitely give it a watch. I absolutely fell in love with this drama called Summer Strike. It is so underrated, and you guys definitely need to watch this. Okay, right now I'm just applying my vitamin C serum and I'm just spreading it across my face. Yeah, so while I do it, Summer Strike is like the whole drama feels like a cool breeze on a very hot summer day. That's how it feels like. I think this particular drama makes you appreciate the small things in life. uh, you yourself, you are in college or you're in school or whatever, and you're going through a very tough time and you feel like giving up in life, this is the drama you need to watch. It's such a comfort watch, feel good. At the same time, we have got this fair share of bittersweet moments, which will actually make you tear up. There's a lot of moments where you actually tear up, but it's really worth the watch. Tied my hair up, guys, because the most important thing when you do skincare is that you tie your hair. Make sure your hands are clean as well. So now that I've applied the vitamin C serum, let's move on to the next step, which is a moisturizer. Once again, it's of Foxtail. A little ASMR maybe. Okay, so I love the vitamin C serum to kind of set on my face. I gave it about 2 minutes. It's not always necessary, but I like to do that so that each product has enough time to work on my face. Once again, I'm not an expert in skincare and all that, but from all my years of research and stuff, this is what I found out. Anyways, moving on, there's this other drama called Twinkling Watermelon, and compared to Summer Strike, people have heard about this drama a lot more. And I think it is a very common name, but not many have watched it. Please do watch it. If I were to rate the K dramas that I've watched up till now, rank them, I think Twinkling Watermelon would stand the first place. Second would be probably Summer Strike. Again, I can't stop talking about Summer Strike. The thing is, I watched this drama, Summer Strike, at a point in life when I needed it the most. It was probably like 8 months back. I was having a very hard time and I was really down low, like down the weather. So that was a drama that just happened to come to me, and I watched it, and it really changed so many things. So if you're going through so much stuff, please do watch it. When it comes to Twinkling Watermelon, pertaining to the audience, I feel like people of all age groups would really love it because it's really entertaining. And there's a lot of moments which are beautiful. It's about family, friendship, love. It's got everything. So please do watch it. Now let's like kind of mix in the moisturizer. Okay, by the way, I have a very sensitive combination acne prone skin, and which is why all of my products are the that I use focus more on acne and stuff. Yeah, so that's that. Hey guys, I just went and got myself a chocolate ice cream and this one because I like everything chocolate. So yeah, this is another form of self-care, I guess, because other than the fact that I had a very relaxing shower and good skincare, food is very important. And by the way, I just woke up from a big ass nap, and it is one of those naps when you like sleep and you get up and you're like, where are you? Because for real, the sun's already gone down. It's gotten dark, which means I went, took a big nap after the skincare and all that, and it's been about 3 hours. I'm panting because I just came up the stairs after I bought this. So yeah, let's enjoy.
남의 시간을 있어라 모든 게 좋은 걸 지금 이 순간을 영원히 너와 둘이서 It's so nice It's so nice Don't keep my